Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric. Today I'm actually in French Landing right behind me. There's French Landing right over there. And I'm gonna be heading to Hontoon Island today actually. I've never been there, so this will be more like a ride along. This is my first time here going to Hontoon Island. I had passed by it like a bunch of times. So I want to take you guys with me with the adventure. Apparently it is an island which is surrounded by the St. John's River. And without any further ado, let me get right to it. It should take me about 10-15 minutes. But in the meantime, I'm gonna have my drone following me while I get there. Man, it's beautiful today. It is very nice today. I think I picked a good day for this. Anyway, I'm on my way to Hontoon Island. Okay, so I came from this section from French Landing, St. John's River, and I'm now in Lakes Barrowford. It's huge. And I'm supposed to make a left right there. So basically, I think it's that way, about a quarter mile, and we'll be getting there. All right. Alrighty, I have arrived. Here's Hontoon Island. That is the state park itself. Then you have the, for those who don't have a boat, they have a ferry there. You can park. And then the ferry takes you into the, I think that's the ferry right there. And then it takes you into the park itself. So yeah, finally arrived. So I want to see if I can dock in there and show you guys around. Okay, so here's where I docked. The docks are free during the day. During the nighttime, if you want to stay overnight, it's $18 plus tax and a $7 fee, more like 30 bucks if you think about it. So here are the docks. Yeah. Here's the entry to the island. Right now it's closed. I mean the office, but from here, I want to see if I can get the drone out and show you guys what everything looks like from the air. All right.
To be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Well, as you guys saw from the sky, that looked amazing. I mean, this place is pretty big actually. So what I'm gonna do is just look around and check the surroundings and show you guys what this place is all about, because I'm discovering as I go with you guys. All right, here we have in front of the main office. They have restrooms, of course. They have vending machines. The main office right now is closed, but we'll get there in a minute. I'll probably get a map and check what's inside. And anyway, let's check that area. This is the ferry that goes inland, picks everybody up. I thought it was that one, but no, it's that. That's the ferry, which is pretty cool. And there's no fee to come here at all. You come at your own free leisure, spend the day. Not bad. Go fishing, bring family. Perfect. Here we got the picnic tables, little barbecue grills. This is nice. Not a bad way to spend the day, huh? If you ask me. Alright, so I met a very lovely ranger named Amber, and she gave me some guidance of where to go and what to look for. So I'm gonna go get a map, and apparently there's a campsite here. I want to show that to you guys as well. What else? Anyway, let's get to it. Okay, so I got the map. There are some hiking trails, camping sites. I'm pretty much just gonna go and get lost. Alright, let's go check it out. Okay, I haven't captured one of the trails on this path that leads to the campground. But before I jump into the trails, I want to check out the campground. I want to look at the campground and what it looks like, because it's a possibility that I might camp here someday. So I want to just check it out and for you guys to see as well. So let me go ahead and continue. Okay, so I believe I found the cabins. This is what the cabins look like. Let me switch the radial angle. There we go. This is what it looks like. Not bad, huh? I'm gonna go check the primitive campgrounds. I wanna see what they look like. There's the primitive camping. A lot of spots. People can just pitch a tent. Somebody's got a fire going over there. Nice. Alright. Not bad at all. Okay, so this is where I'm at right now for the trail. Going this route. It's about a mile or two, I think. It's gonna go towards Shell Mound, apparently. I wanna go see what that's about, so let's go! Might take me about half an hour to get there, I bet. Alright, looks like I arrive at checkpoint H3. I am right there, so I'm like halfway through Indian Mountain. I want to go to Indian Mountain. I want to check that out. I won't be able to check the other biking trails. By the way, there are biking trails here. And also, take caution on the snakes. There's quite a few. I'm loving this mossy trail. This is so cool. It's like a Narnia or like, I don't know, Lord of the Rings type of deal. I reach a little rest stop on the trail. It's got a nice little view here to the water. Nice bench right there to sit. You can see the water right here from the St. John's River. And this is nice. This is not the Indian Mountain, but so I checked the map. In the map, apparently I am, show you guys. In the map, I am right here. That section. So I got a little bit one ways to go. Alright. Onwards. A few more paces. And here's the end of the trail. I am in the Indian Mountain. Trail ends here. That's a beautiful tree, by the way. Alright. Very nice. Well, I'm gonna head back because I want to show you guys the there's a gift shop in there and they have like a video and things like that. So I want to show you guys some of that before I end the video. So it took me like 35 minutes to get to this point. Let's head back. So here's the gift shop. And then we have a model right here. Look at that.
So you're gonna make us more famous?
Yep, gonna make you guys more famous.
Wonderful.
Absolutely. Ooh, a little coin souvenir machine. Neato. Nice. Here's the visitor center. It's a bobcat, squirrel, showing all kinds of animals. Raccoons, eagles. Here they show a video of the history of this island and the previous inhabitants in here, the Indians. Very nice. I like it. Well, everyone, for the most part, this is Hontoon Island. So if any of you are planning to come visit or just to want to watch this video and find out what it's all about, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for guys for stopping by. I will conclude this video at this moment. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next adventure. Later. That is one of the coolest things I've seen.